Hi guys, my name is Mike. I'm here to show you how to do pixel art 8-bit drawing style in Toon Boom Harmony. I'm using Toon Boom Harmony Premium. Some people thought it couldn't be done. I've just figured out a way that it works really well. So let's jump right into it. Before I do that though, I just want to, I posted on a forum here. I asked people, can you do it? Someone says, I don't recommend that. I don't think it's possible. There's no practical way to do it in Toon Boom. Software is not made for that, etc. Even Toon Boom supports it. Unfortunately, there's no feature to create a line art as pixel art. The only workaround is to have a grid with a stroke, etc. But in the past, always what I've had to do is create the pixel art in Photoshop, import it into something like Toon Boom, and then animate it. But I thought there must be a way, because Toon Boom's got bitmap layers now. And let me show you how you do it. If the first thing you'll try, if you try normal brushes in Toon Boom, they always want to alias and you never get a clean 1 pixel line, and that's what I'm looking for. First thing you want to do in Photoshop is create a custom brush. Okay? And it's going to be 3 by 3 pixels, as you can see. Here's 3 by 3 pixels. Just want to check I'm recording here. Good. 3 by 3 pixels, and you want to just literally get your pencil tool. One size, it should be 1, like literally 1 pixel. Boom, in the middle there. Save that as a TGA. File, save as. I'm really excited about this because this is going to save me a lot of time. Instead of having to work between Photoshop and Toon Boom, I can animate pixel stuff in Toon Boom, so that's exciting. Call it Pixel Brush, wherever, TGA, target file, 24 bits is fine. Don't know why it's taking so long. Come on. In the meantime, let's open up Toon Boom Harmony. Okay. And let's just create a test scene. Test pixel 02. Create the document as a HD shot. 1920 by 1080 is what I'm using, or whatever you want. It actually doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be pixel style. Let's create the scene here. Sorry for the time it's taking. I know people like to jump into videos as soon as they can, but I'm getting there. So, you get your brush. Okay, first thing we want to do is create a new bitmap drawing layer. So not a vector layer, make sure it's bitmap. Okay, so now whatever we draw is going to be bitmap, which is good. I've already created the brush, but I'm going to show you how to do it from scratch. What you want to do is click on this. You'll probably already be on some other preset here or something, so what you want to do is click on this little arrow for your presets, and now you're going to want to add a custom brush. See, I've already added it there, called Pixel Brush, but you click on this plus to add, and double click the brush. I've already added it, so it's not going to do it twice. When you add it, it'll show up here. Now we're going to go to our settings. And the minimum size should be 3. Sorry, maximum size 3. Minimum size 0. Roundness and angle 100. That's right. Hardness 100. Spacing 1%. Random angle 0. Random spacing 0. We don't want a dual tip. Transparency, just uncheck anti-aliasing. That's it. Now we can close that, and if you draw, you have to zoom. I'm zooming in. It's a 1 pixel line, which is incredible. So I've got my Wacom pen here. I can draw pixel stuff at the pixel level, and fills work as normal. It's a Christmas miracle, friends. Everything works as Toon Boom normally does. And of course you can do your onion skinning. It all shows up fine. Now, of course, it's so tiny, it's drawn at the pixel size. So what you want to do, what I'm going to do quickly is, because I normally work at 200 by 113 pixels. That's just the kind of the size of the documents I like working at. So I'm just going to import a 200 by 113 blank picture just to get the size right for the camera, which is that. Okay, import it. So I'm just going to drag it to the bottom here. Now we want to create a camera, and let's put a peg on the camera and then zoom the camera in to the pixel size. That's cool. I'm just going to drag this guy up again. And the amazing thing is, when you render it, it renders it. It doesn't try and alias the pixels, anti-alias the pixels. It's awesome. What you can also do, I'm just going to call this pixel layer, so it's clear. Double click this layer here, go to advanced, and anti-aliasing quality turn on none, just to get it like extra sharp. And that's a HD document, 1920 by 1080. Pretty amazing. So this kind of really opens the doors for drawing pixel stuff in Toon Boom and animating with it. I'm really pleased I discovered this. Thanks so much to Toon Boom support. You know, I was fiddling with custom brushes and stuff in Toon Boom earlier, and I emailed them. I'm on a silver support package, and I thought there must be before I go, you're going to run into the problem now with erasers. Like, it's not, see, I've already created a custom eraser, but when you haven't created the custom eraser, it's going to want to alias and create a blurred thing. So what you want to do though is create a custom pixel eraser. So just click on the eraser, click on that right arrow, and you want to re-add here your pixel brush as an eraser. Exactly the same settings: maximum size 3, minimum size 0. All the same as we did before. And transparency, turn anti-aliasing off, make sure dual tip and paper texture isn't selected. And the pixel brush actually feels really great. You can like pump up the size here, and you get a really nice feeling brush. Man, I'm super pumped about this. It's going to make life so much easier, and I can make my pixel stuff in one program, so I'm really pleased. That's how you do it. I hope that was helpful. If you're a pixel artist, please like or comment or subscribe. I'd love to keep in touch. I love them pixels. I got a whole bunch of other pixel music videos I've done for Goldfish, and I did some stuff for Anamanaguchi, and I've got a great Pac-Man video for Take from Japan. So I hope you watch them. Bye.